All right, guys, so if you're looking for a top-rated pool cleaner, this Dorado from Pentair, fantastic option. It comes with 2-year warranty once you register with Pentair. Super long hose, plenty of accessories. You can hook it up to your skimmer and still utilize your skimmer if you don't have your wall inlet option. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, see how it performs. So if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. It helps out the channel. We're trying to grow, can't do it without your support. If you want to pick one up, check out the links, and don't forget to like and follow. So let's get right to it. All right, let's see what comes in the box with all the accessories. All right, so this is the actual cleaner right here. What I like about the Dorado is that it comes with the, the bristles all the way around and the center here. It's about 15 inches wide, so you get a nice clean. Since I have River Rock, I like the fact using the bristles will kind of like, scrub the walls and the bottom. That's why I went with the Dorado. Now it does have this little oscillating center part here. It could be a little noisy sometimes if you have it on full blast. It does come with a little rubber skirt all the way around it, for maximum suction at the center here. So what I like about it, the inlet is one of the biggest ones in the market. So any big debris, which I have the palms, and I get a lot of debris when it gets a little windy. So this is the unit that I chose for that reason. You do have the 2-year warranty. It doesn't cover like this little rubber piece right here, but everything else is covered under the 2-year warranty once you register with Pentair. Now it's a very nice looking, cleaner. Here you put the adapter for your hose, and I'll show you now in a bit. And like I said, beautiful, beautiful finish. So it is a compact, which is also something that I like about it. Comes with the manual, comes with all these accessories. This is the adapter that goes on the top of it. This is for your skimmer. This is for your wall inlet. It does have a little cap, so if you're not using it, it'll cover right up. So very nice. It comes with 12 pieces of 39-inch hoses. They're 1 1/2 each one, so you get about 39 feet of hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the adapter. Very simple. It has like a little groove right here. It goes into this groove. And you twist it and line it up with these little holes right there, and you're good to go. So it does swivel, okay? So then you hook up your hose right to this. So let's see, let's check out the hoses. So very nice and flexible the hoses are. I really like that. And they kind of snap in. You have different levels, and once you get to the end, that's pretty much it. It does come with this little adapter here. You hook it up to your pool stick, and it goes right on this section here. Put the pin on it, and you can manually clean the bottom of the pool with, using the cleaner. So great little option here. Here is your wall port that it comes with. Screws on. Once you're done with that, it has a little Allen key right here, so you can lock it in so nobody could take it off. It is spring loaded and stainless steel on the spring. It does tell you must go in the up position like this. So very, very nice little option, so you don't want any of the kids to get stuck on here. All right, so this is your vacuum regulator. Basically, you adjust it using your gauge here. You do have your minimum and your maximum settings. You do have a rubber adapter that you could either put it on here like that, just in case if you do have a bigger hole on there. If you don't, you could just use it this way. And this is your adapter cover. So once you're done, you put it on there. Once you finish your adjustments, so the way they want you to do it is basically, hook your gauge to the wall adapter here, and you go and put this into your skimmer. You adjust it. Once you get between the minimum and the maximum, then that will be your setting for the vacuum if you have it on the wall. Now, same thing goes with when you have it just with the skimmer and you don't have your wall port option. Same thing, you put this on. You basically put the hose on there. Put the end of the hose into the water, and then you adjust it to get your maximum and your minimum flow. All right, and that's pretty much it when it comes to the adapter. So if you have your manual valves, you could actually go ahead and adjust it through there too. So option is up to you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk the actual cleaner to the end, and then I'll add hoses depending on how much I need. So I still got another hose to go just to reach the cleaner. All right, so right there, I think it looks actually perfect. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add one more. Another great idea is to install some Teflon tape into your threads. That way later on, if you want to remove it, it's not glued on there. You're also going to get a nice tight seal. So let's get to it. All right, we're going to go ahead and install it. We have the Teflon tape installed. So let's see. All right, right there. That's as far as it goes. So you want this side up. So once installed, to install your hose, very simple. So as you can see, this little tab right there will keep the hose from coming out. Very simple and effective way to keep the hose in. All right guys, so if you're gonna go ahead and install it on the skimmer, we're gonna need this. I can see that my port, it's way bigger than this size right here. This is kind of like a 1 1/4 kind of. I think that's kind of like the size that I have there. So we're gonna have to use the adapter. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. All right, so it's nice and tight in there now. Now we're gonna go ahead, hook up the hose to it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install this, and then we're gonna, regulate it somewhere in the middle here. As you can see, the flow, it's a minimum, so we're gonna have to adjust a little bit more. So right there, in between the minimum and the maximum. All right guys, final thoughts on the Pentair Dorado. Excellent choice for your pool. I'm really happy the way it's cleaning the pool, especially with the bristles all the way around. Helps clean the surfaces. And 39-foot hose, 15-inch wide, 2-year warranty. You can't go wrong with it. They also have another brand, which is the Great White, same exact thing. Just looks a little bit different on the outside. If you want to pick one of those up, check out some of the links below. Helps us out. If you have any comments or questions, or already own one and you want to share with the community, put the comments below, helps us out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.